And yeah, what we can see, yeah, it's pretty good results. So total profit 550.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Statira Trading. Today we're going to run you through why automated trading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up a software we use so then that we can go through all the statistics of any trading strategy we build. And from this, we're going to show you the benefits as to why we use automated trading systems over manual trading systems. It's going to be another great episode, and I hope you take a lot of value from it.
Okay, so I've pulled up Quant Analyzer. Now, this is a software that we use at Statira to put our portfolios together, get a real understanding of, how many trades our systems takes, what the returns we get, the drawdown, stagnation days, meaning how many days before the next profit or peak hits, and lots of things like that. But I've only jumped on here to show you. Why we use algorithmic trading strategies. So I've pulled up this portfolio is pretty much Sequenti, which will be on offer in the coming month. And yeah, what we can see, yeah, it's pretty good results. So total profit 653.56%, over 4,000 trades, max drawdown of 5.7%. Maximum losses 14, so it's quite a lot of losses in a row. But yeah, at the end of the day, if the algo's trading it, it means it's not playing with our emotions. It's doing everything 100% as what we want it. So yeah, we can see that overall this system is really profitable, great profits month on month. There is obviously months where it doesn't make money, it actually loses. So, but that's trading for you. But yeah, overall we can see like the year-on-year returns are really good. But this is from a 100% algorithmic perspective. Let's say you yourself at home want to trade this strategy manually. Now, it is possible. It's a very straightforward strategy, but again, it requires a lot of time at the screen. So, let's say you work in 9 till 5, okay? So you can't actually trade between 9 and 5. So, let's take away the hours that you can't trade. You get home for 5, so you'd be home for about 6. And let's say you go to bed at 11 and wake up at 5 a.m. So we'll take away 11 o'clock, 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. So yeah, you get up at 6. You can trade between 6 and 8, meaning you've got 1, 2, potentially like 2 to 3 hours, because 8 o'clock, say you're going to work, so yeah, 2 hours there. Then when you're home, you can trade between 6, 7, 8 and 9, because at 10 o'clock, that's when the bid and ask prices go sky high, so there's no point trading. So overall we can see we can trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours a day. Okay, so rather than being able to trade 24 hours a day, you can only trade 6 hours a day, and that's if you're executing 100% and you're at the charts 100% in those hours every single day, Monday to Friday. Now that is tough, as well as working a full-time job, having to do other things, etc., etc. But let's have a look at what the result would be anyway. Okay, so within those hours that you can actually trade, if you trade this strategy 100%, miss 0 trades, this is the expected result you can get. 60.59%, just over about 400 to 500 trades. And yeah, we can see it's profitable most years apart from last year, but overall the gains are not exactly significant and is like a tenth of what the algo does. So this is us showing you exactly why we use automated strategies, because if you're trading this strategy for this amount of time, you think, it's a good return. The yearly average return is 7.83%, which is pretty decent. But for all the hours and the time you put in, you may as well invest it into an S&P or some other vehicle that can make you money long term. This is why at Tira we are going to offer these algos to lease out, because we know the time that it takes to trade. We've been there. We've worked as well as trading strategies, trading different strategies, and I can tell you it's very tough to execute 100% of the time. You're going to miss trades, and missing trades can really alter the result, as you can see here. Just not being able to trade between those hours of your 9 till 5 have really altered the results here. So we can see, 60.95, or sorry, 60.59 against a 653% result. So let's go through exactly why we use them. One, you really don't need to do anything. Once you've coded or built the strategies and the algo knows how to use it, you literally will just act as a maintenance man, making sure it's doing everything you want it to do and it doesn't take much of your time. Two, takes all the emotion out of your trading. Because you're not actually physically placing the trades, the algo doesn't have emotions like we do as humans. So it'll never be in doubt of when to place a trade and when not to place a trade. Three, it gives you that additional time back that you would actually use trying to trade by letting the algos do it itself. So this will create that balance. If you're in the position right now of working a full-time job and doing trading on the side, having these algo systems in the background will seriously bring more balance, because you're still trading, but you're just not spending as much time on it. You're allowing the algorithm to do what it's supposed to do. And this brings a multitude of benefits to you as a person. So, instead of spending those times staring at charts, you could be, I don't know, working on your health, building new relationships, whether that's building the ones that you have already stronger, working with family. There's a whole lot of things you could do with that spare time, which is why we want to offer you and help you get that.
So there you have it. You've seen two different set of results. The first one being a fully automated system that runs 24/7, and the other being if you had a bit of spare time alongside the 9 till 5, you can see what the results are from there. I hope this highlights of how optimal using automated trading strategies are, and we hope that you can see the benefit of what we're trying to bring to you. We do have the beta launch coming up at the end of February, so please visit our website www.statiratrading.com, sign up for the beta launch, and you'll get first-hand access to the algorithms when they're ready. Now, if you have enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Until then, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.